In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new external from email address in Zoho Mail. This is really useful if you manage multiple email addresses but want to send all your messages from a single Zoho Mail inbox. For example, you might have a personal address, a support address, and a sales address, and you want to choose which one appears in the From field when you send an email. I'll walk you through each step so you can set this up quickly and correctly. First, open your Zoho Mail inbox in your browser. Look toward the top right corner of the page for the gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. This will open the main settings area where you can control how your mailbox behaves. Inside the settings, look for the section related to sending emails. You should see an option called Send Mail As. Click on Send Mail As. This is where Zoho lets you manage all of the addresses that can appear as the sender when you compose a message. On the Send Mail As page, look for a section labeled External from Addresses. These are the email addresses that are not part of your primary Zoho domain, but that you still want to send from. Next to that section, you'll see a plus sign. Click the plus sign to add a new external address. A new window or panel will open where you can add your information. Here, you'll be asked for two main details: the name you want to display and the email address itself. In the name field, type the display name you want recipients to see, such as your name or your department. Then, in the email field, type the external email address you want to send from. Double check for typos because this is the address Zoho will use and verify. Once the name and email are filled in, look for the button labeled Authenticate and click it. Authentication is important because Zoho needs to confirm that you actually own or have access to this external email address. After you click Authenticate, Zoho will guide you through a series of on-screen prompts. Follow these carefully. Typically, this might involve receiving a verification email at the external address and clicking a link, or entering a code, depending on how your account is set up. When you've completed those prompts and Zoho confirms the authentication, your new external from address will be added. From then on, when you compose a new email, you'll be able to choose this address in the From drop-down and send messages as that external email directly from Zoho Mail.